Hi and hello there, welcome to my channel. 6 key points on blogging and niche selection. Niche is crucial. I emphasize the importance of choosing the right niche for your blog. I recommend the Ahrefs keyword generator to select the right niche. Focus on one blog instead of spreading yourself thin across multiple blogs. I suggest dedicating all your effort to one blog for faster growth. Consistent quality content I suggest for daily article publishing, focusing on quality over quantity. Aim for 3 to 4 articles per day, utilizing the keywords provided by Ahrefs for relevant and easy to rank topics. Keyword research efficiency. Use tools like Ahrefs to avoid wasting time on manual keyword research. Choose 3 to 4 keywords daily and create content around it. Patience and persistence. Building traffic takes time. I advise consistent work for 3 to 4 months before expecting significant results. Apply for AdSense once you see traffic growth, but continue publishing to demonstrate your commitment to the blog. Beware of distractions. Avoid getting drawn into time-consuming video tutorials that may not offer accurate advice. Focus on your own content creation and consistent effort. Tips for earning money from blogging. AdSense. Monetize your blog through Google AdSense once you have sufficient traffic. Affiliate marketing. Promote relevant products or services through affiliate links and earn commission on sales generated through your blog. Sponsored content. Partner with brands to create sponsored content for a blog, earning revenue through collaborations. Digital products. Offer ebooks, courses, or other digital products to your audience. Freelance writing. Leverage your blogging expertise to offer freelance writing service to other businesses or websites. Remember, success in blogging requires dedication, patience, and consistent effort. Choose a niche you are passionate about. Create high-quality content and explore various monetization options to turn your blog into a profitable endeavor. Blogging in 2024. This is a question that is on every new blogger's mind, whether to start a blogging or not. If to start a blog, what is the best niche to work on so that you can quickly start earning money? Money is very important to survive in blogging. To tell you the truth, there are many bloggers who are not even able to earn $100 in 2 years, whereas some have started earning $100 easily every month. So why is that? What is the reason for that? Well, the reason is very simple. Everything depends on niche selection. You need to select or find the best niche and work on that. My best advice for you guys is to create one blog, just one blog, and work on that blog the full day. Keep posting articles on daily basis. I am not saying to write 10 to 15 articles on daily basis as all the pro bloggers mention in their videos. Let's understand this. To write 10 to 15 articles on daily basis by a single person is not a piece of cake. To write even one article and publish, it takes half a day, and the next half day another one article. By that time you easily get tired or bored. To write 10 to 15 articles a day, you need a team to handle. Even if you write 15 articles a day, keeping one article per hour, that means 15 hours per day. Tell me, can you work 15 hours a day? Simple logic. I don't understand why some bloggers exaggerate things. My friend, this is my experience. A guy with 4 years plus blogging experience is talking to you. So take my advice. So 2-3 articles per day is just about enough by a single person. If you can write more, the better, and it is for your blog to grow faster. It's simple, my friend. More article, more views, just like YouTube videos. So now let's come to the point. Here today I will talk to you, or show you rather, just one niche. If anyone works on the niche, I'm sure that your blog will grow quickly without any doubt. Now you might ask yourself as why I'm not creating a blog if it is so great niche. My friend, I have 15 blogs in various niches and all my blogs are ranking well. I work all alone and hence it is extremely difficult to manage them. So I decided to share my experience with you guys so that whoever decide to work on this niche can earn money easily. Let's go to my laptop now and know the niche which I am talking about. Let's write Hrefs keyword generator. I am sure most of the bloggers know by now the free tool Href. And here I will write the keyword. What is the difference? First we will check for India. Let's check now. You will be amazed to see the results. They are huge in numbers. Well, here you can see all the results. I see the number of keywords and their keyword difficulty. It's all in green. It means that your article will surely figure in the top 10s since it is almost easy to rank. Let me drag down and check for more. Have a look. Oh my, enormous. You have so much content to write on and all these keywords have enough traffic. Check that. 800, 700, 600. What more you can ask for? So that was the first 100 keywords, and see the total number of keywords. 103,452 for India alone. I have not seen this much keywords on Href so far for one word. We will take one keyword from here and check the status of that particular keyword and see how many more we will get. Let me take any one randomly. Let me take this one. And here we have another 5 keywords and the keyword difficulty is just 2 and 3 and the traffic volume is also fairly good. Now let's check for USA. This is important. If you can pull traffic from USA and other foreign countries, the earnings can easily be double. Wow, here you can see the total number of keywords Href has provided. See the total numbers, 850,740. Now here are my bullet points before I end the video. You don't have to do keyword research every day and waste your time. You have to pick up 2-3 keywords on daily basis and write articles. Just follow these keywords and write as many articles as you can on daily basis. Concentrate on one blog. Don't watch too many videos and get distracted. Many videos are not true. They exaggerate to fool people. Work continuously for 3 to 4 months and then you will start getting traffic. Once you see that the traffic is coming, apply for AdSense. Another important point, once you have applied for AdSense, don't stop publishing articles because this is a critical time to get AdSense because you are providing to Google that your motive is not just to get AdSense approval but to work for your blog. Google likes to have more and more fresh content. Now here I will show you something more interesting. Keep watching. Again I will take href and type in the same keyword, and you know, not only USA has high CPC, Canada also gives very high CPC. So here we will target Canada and check the keyword density and the search volume. Here you can see the keyword more than 85,000. Here first we will check the very first keyword, which has a 34 and the search volume is 3.2k. Now I will show you something very important. Let me copy this long tail keyword and search here. You can see the number of sites that are showing this keyword. Now leave all that aside and let's write before the keyword all in title, and here we go and scroll down to check. Look, just 12 relevant searches. It means you have great chance to rank if your article is well written. So how was the video? Hope you guys liked the video. Let me have your comments. I love to read comments. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.